to kick this thing off and get started. First and foremost, I want to welcome everybody to the official Crypto Solutions iMarketsLive reveal, a launch call to talk about the next phase for our company. Now, we had, for all of you guys that are watching this on Zoom, we also have hundreds and hundreds. Last time I checked, it was close to 600 people watching this stream live in our IML Elite Facebook group. Some of you guys are watching this on YouTube recorded, but we are doing this live right now with almost 4,000 people watching. We just got done with our Spanish crypto launch call that had 3,000 people on Zoom, another 1,500 people live by the end of the stream all around the world in the Latin markets. Now, we were supposed to have a very special guest. Well, he's still here, but he didn't actually get to make it to the Coliseum because it was sold out. Imagine the executive vice president of our company was not able to actually make it into tonight's webinar. But he's here on Facebook Live, so everybody say what's up on FaceTime. Everybody say what's up to the executive vice president of iMarketsLive, Mr. Alex Morton.
Let's go.
What's up?
Here, kind of here. I just want to say I am so proud of everybody on the call right now. I'm watching a live count on the IML Elite page, guys. Over 815 people on IML Elite, plus the several thousand on the Zoom calls. Guys, I have never seen anything like this in my entire network marketing career. 2017 was absolutely amazing. It was absolutely phenomenal. But the information you're about to receive in the next 45 minutes is going to take this company from here to here to here. So I just wanted to say I am so excited about everything going on in this company. I am so proud of all the chairman leaders. I am so fortunate to be able to partner with Christopher Terry and Isis Stellatore. And I'm telling you, if there was ever a moment in your life, if there was ever a time for you to make a decision to go all in and learn a skill set like Forex and cryptocurrency, to go all in and build a massive network marketing organization, the time is right now. So I got my popcorn ready. I'm ready to see Dr. Crypto, Chairman 250, Jason Brown, lay it down. If you're as fired up as I am right now, guys, hit 444 in the chat box. 444 in the chat box. So I'll tell you what, you are in the right place at the right time, and tonight will mark a new beginning in the iMarketsLive dynasty and the iMarketsLive empire. And together, we are going to educate, enrich, and empower 1 million customers easily. It's done by 2020. So Jason Brown, my business partner, my brother from another mother, I love you, dog. Back to you. Let's get this crypto thing underway.
Let's go. Love you too, brother. Appreciate you. I apologize. We ran out of room for you. Next time you got to pay for the VIP seating. All right. Guys, we now have close to 1,000 people on our Facebook Live, 3,000 here. The chat box is absolutely going insane. Now, I want to let you guys know that what you're going to see tonight is not just a few months in the works. Okay, what you guys are going to see tonight actually started 4 years ago with Christopher Terry, the CEO of our company, Isis Stellatore, the CFO of our company. That this started 4 years ago, almost 4.5, July 4th of 2013, when these two pioneers, these two visionaries, these two individuals decided to partner the trading world with the word of mouth marketing world. Okay, they decided to basically take Wall Street and offer education to the Main Street, right? Without that vision, I would not be here today. There's some people here who do know me. There's some people here who do not know me. So very briefly, I'm 28 years old. My name is Jason Brown. I've been a part of this company for over 2 years. Right before I got started with this company, I was 25 and a half, okay? And I was $70,000 in credit card debt, in debt total. 25,000 was credit cards, 45,000 was student loans. I was $70,000 in debt, living with my parents, delivering pizza, Chinese food, whatever I could do to make ends meet. And one of my friends who's actually here tonight, Matthew Rosa, some of you guys know him, some of you guys do not. Matthew Rosa brought Forex to me, right? Trading. He brought me the opportunity to say, you know what? I think this is something we should look at. And so we took a look. We did not see what we wanted to see at first. You know, we saw, people that were trading, but they weren't necessarily the mentors and the figures of authority that we wanted to follow. But in November of 2015, we had a very special conversation with Christopher Terry, the CEO and founder of iMarketsLive. And that conversation was something that for me literally changed my life. I look at so many different parts of my life that were impactful. And I look at that one conversation and I think, you know, what if I made an excuse and didn't make it to that call? What if I was sick? What if Chris canceled that call? Would I be here today? I don't think so. Would everybody here be today? Would everybody that's here today be here today? I don't know, but I am grateful to say that we all made it. Everybody's here, whether you made it on Zoom, you made it on Facebook Live, we're blessed. Whether you're watching it recording, we're blessed. You guys can stop posting 444 in the chat box too, even though I know you're fired up. And here's what I want to say before we get started. Okay, there's a few things that make iMarketsLive extremely unique. Number one, we do not take investments. Okay, iMarketsLive does not touch anybody's money. No money ever changes hands. You're not giving me your money tonight. You're not giving Christopher Terry your money tonight. We're not doing anything that has to do with investing. Our goal, the visionaries, the leaders of our company have gotten together on multiple occasions and solidified the fact that our goal is not to give a man a fish. Okay, we don't want to just sit here and give you a fish, give you a fish, give you a fish. We believe, and I know that I speak for everybody tonight, we believe that teaching a man how to fish is abundance. We believe in abundance, and our goal here is to continue to create a community and a culture of individuals that can learn a skill set and then decide if they want to pass that skill set on to other people. Now, I want to say this as well. Guys, I am not the crypto guru. Okay, I need to say that because some people here do not know who I am. I am not presenting myself as a cryptocurrency guru. But what I will tell you is a year and a half, actually probably close to three, actually, this is close to 2.5 years ago. A friend of mine in Africa started to talk to me about Bitcoin, okay? A friend of mine started talking to me about Bitcoin, and I was broke. So this Bitcoin talk was really going in one ear and out the other. And he said, look, buddy, you got to get some. You got to get some. And he kept telling me, you know, sending me articles and information. And guys, at the time, Bitcoin was maybe $15, $20 a coin. And little did I know that even if I dropped a few $100s, meant, you know, it would have done pretty good. And so as time went by, I realized something, right? That when things appear in your life over and over and over again, they're usually appearing for a reason, right? They're usually appearing to say, you know what? This is real, okay? This is real. I'm here in your life because you need to take a look at this. And so finally I said, you know what? Let me go do some research. Let me go get my hands dirty a little bit. And so I started looking around and I opened up a wallet and I started to research, you know, these different coins. And I realized something. I had a massive breakthrough because I thought, honestly, that this was just like a currency, right? It was just like gold or something like that. But what I started to realize was that this was much bigger. And I have a PowerPoint. I have information prepared for you guys because I understand that not everybody knows exactly what is blockchain. Not everybody knows what is cryptocurrency. Not everybody even knows what's going on, but everybody wants to be a part of it because, look, my aunt was talking about this at Thanksgiving. My grandma knows what Bitcoin is. You know, everybody is really becoming a part of this cryptocurrency talk, right? And so we want to know, how can we capitalize? Well, I will tell you guys that over the last year or so, I've really been involved. I've surrounded myself with the right people. And what I learned being inside of iMarketsLive, from the Forex education, from the amazing traders that we have, from, you know, the analysts and the traders and all of these influential people in the financial markets, I've been able to learn, you know, and study and observe a lot of really good scenarios where I got into the market and was able to become very profitable. And so cryptocurrency for me personally has been a success. Cryptocurrency for me is something that I'm passionate about, something that I'm deep in. And so when we all started speaking about bringing this education to iMarketsLive, there was a very important conversation. And it was, you know what, let's not rush to the market. What you see tonight, what you're going to see tonight is actually 3, 4, 5 months of, you know, day-to-day work, conversations, talk, you know, masterminding, finding out what we wanted to do and what we wanted to lead with. And by no means are we saying, you know, look, we are the figure of authority. Like tonight we're going to launch and we're the best crypto traders in the world. That's not what we're saying. But we found a problem. And I'm going to talk to you about this problem in a little bit. And with that problem, we created a solution. And that's what tonight is about. Tonight is about the official launch of iMarketsLive Crypto Solutions. You know, a solution to a problem, and I'm going to identify that problem and then identify the solution with you guys. And so I am so excited about tonight's webinar because, guys, we are a leading Forex expert company, right? What we do on a Forex level, for all of you guys, Forex is currency, one currency traded for the other, the largest financial market in the world, you know, $5 trillion a day. And right now, you know, Bitcoin's doing like, I look at the numbers, I forget, like maybe 100 billion a day, right? So we're still talking different levels of volume being traded. But we're offering, you know, 100 hours a week of live Forex education, academy, all these tools and services. And so over the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you guys are going to see a plan and a vision unroll right before your very eyes. And we are so excited about that. So let's go to the PowerPoint. Okay, let's go to the presentation. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to pull this up. Oh, guys, this is not a Twitch chat. I appreciate everybody for being here. All right, now here we go. So let's go to the PowerPoint. The iMarketsLive official crypto solutions launch call. Now, the first thing that we have to understand is a little bit about blockchain, okay? Blockchain is essentially a virtual ledger, like a virtual log, where every transaction that's made with cryptocurrency is recorded. Okay, and so this is the accountability system. I think a lot of people still think that, I hear people say it, and you know what, it's okay because there's not a lot of information out there. But people are saying, well, crypto is hype. You know, this is hype, that's hype. Well, there are certain coins that may classify as hype, right? You know, fake announcements and all this different stuff. But blockchain technology is undeniably the future. Every wealthy person is adopting this type of technology or getting into cryptocurrency. You know, banks are adopting this technology, and it's real because there's a virtual accountability system and everything is logged. And so every time a transaction is made, it is permanently stored into the blockchain. Okay, and each transaction is independent of the next transaction, so the transactions linearly align, which makes it non-manipulated, okay? So what they created with blockchain is a non-manipulated coding system that has a self-accountability attachment. Now, this is unbelievable because the fiat currencies and stuff that we have are manipulated. They're manipulated by central authorities, right? So they can, you know, maybe delete transactions or hide transactions. They can falsify transactions, and they can also manipulate price of these things. And so their influence plays a big role in it. With blockchain technology, there's this digital accountability system that is peer-to-peer verified. Okay, and so that matching and then the linear lineage of the blocks are what really make blockchain such a substantial technology going into the future. It kind of takes away some of that human intention. Okay, now cryptocurrency itself is the coin, right? This is actually the currency that runs through the blockchain technology. Now, what I didn't know before I started diving in, and what I don't think a lot of people know, is that in the 90s, there were multiple attempts to actually create digital currencies that all failed. Some of them were scams, some of them were, not fast enough, and none of them worked. The first coin that actually worked and was successful was created by an anonymous programmer whose anonymous name was Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, this coin is what we all know as Bitcoin, right? And so Bitcoin is the name, right? Bitcoin is the heavy hitter. Bitcoin is the excitement. And the reason why is because Bitcoin was the first to market, right? Bitcoin is at the center right now at this moment in time. It's at the center of the cryptocurrency world. And so, guys, every transaction that takes place from USD goes to Bitcoin, right? USD to the crypto markets, you enter through Bitcoin, okay? Every altcoin, so there's these things called altcoins, which are 1,383 other coins in the market right now. They're alternative coins to Bitcoin, but in order to get into the altcoins, you need Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is really the axle, okay, and everything else moves around it, almost like the sun in the center of the universe, okay? And so each different coin is built and developed by a technology or to represent a technology, development team, or a company. Okay, and each one of them has, a unique usage. And so I've seen, different coins for different niches, like medical marijuana coin, and there's a dog coin. So there's all these different coins. There's gaming coins and all these different ideas that people say, you know what, this coin is dedicated to this niche. But also, okay, some coins are built to do faster transactions or multiple transactions. So basically right now, people saw blockchain, they see Bitcoin, and all these, technological geniuses are building teams and creating software to basically say, you know what, we love what they're doing, but we could do it a little bit better, a little bit faster. There's some things about Bitcoin that it can do, right? But it really led the market. And so inside of cryptocurrency, we see a lot of these different coins now, and we're hearing about Ripple and Ethereum and Litecoin, but I wanted you guys to understand, what basically they represent. It's not just like, poof, out of thin air, a new coin's created. These are actually projects and developments that are leading into this coin, okay? Now, this is impressive. This is actually really crazy. The 1-year growth of cryptocurrency. I wanted to collect the numbers, okay? Because the numbers are mind-blowing. That this time last year, the cryptocurrency market cap was nearly $17 billion, okay? The cryptocurrency, I'm gonna minimize my little screen here is taking up a majority of the space. The cryptocurrency market cap was nearly $17 billion this time last year. Guys, today it's at $827 billion. Bitcoin 24-hour volume this time last year was $30 million a day. Today, Bitcoin's 24-hour volume is $15 billion, okay? $15 billion 24-hour volume. This time last year, there were 449 registered coins on CoinMarketCap, okay? Today, there's 1,384 coins. So we have almost a 3 times growth in the amount of coins, and this is even crazier. These are 3 of the most popular coins besides Bitcoin. At this time last year, Ripple was 0.005 of a penny, okay? So that's crazy, okay? So 0.5 of a penny, a half a penny, Ripple this time last year. Today, Ripple is $2.77. Litecoin was $3.52. Today, it's $287.25. Ethereum was 98 cents. Today, it actually soared over $1,100. And when I finalized the numbers here about an hour ago, Ethereum was at $1,182. So, guys, there is no doubt, okay, at this point that cryptocurrency is a revolution. It is a wave. It is something that is coming fast. But we noticed some problems. We noticed some things that were missing, okay? And this is a large observation by a large amount of people, okay? Number one, the education is missing. I cannot tell you, okay? I made one post on social media about my cryptocurrency experience, and literally dozens of people immediately contact me. How do I get a wallet? How do I do this? How do I do that? So the education is missing from the market right now. Now, we know, and for the people who trade Forex and stocks and stuff like this, you know that a lot of tools and indicators and things like this exist, but we don't see this a lot with cryptocurrency, right? We don't see a lot of tools. We also don't see a lot of instruction, and we don't see a lot of analysis and mentorship. Okay, now we see people that have groups and things like this, but what mostly we've seen industry-wide, is, look, people trying to create their own coins and projects. Those are called ICOs. Some of them work out, some of them do not, but those are investment opportunities that are of high risk for the most part. Okay, we also see mining. Okay, we've seen a lot of mining, and mining is one way to actually obtain a cryptocurrency. Now, not all coins are mineable, but Bitcoin is mineable, and a lot of the main ones are. But we see people offering like some type of a mining package, and we don't exactly know what that means. And we also don't know what the regulators and the governments think about this mining as of right now. But this is what's dominated the force, right? Investing, right? Give us X amount and you're going to get X back. We feel like we want to teach people how to fish so they can go eat for a lifetime. And I already see a lot of my trader friends and people that I know that have been around crypto that are trading and doing extremely, extremely well because they actually understand the market and they're inside of the market and they're doing it physically based upon that skill set. And so tonight, I do want to tell you that I have the solution, but I also want to tell you what we are not, because I want to save your time. I think it's very important that time is the most valued commodity, the most valuable thing that we have on this webinar is time. So if you're looking to make investments, right, you're looking for somebody to invest into or somebody to trade for you or somebody to trade your money, iMarketsLive does not do that. We're not looking to do that. Okay, we're not going to do that in the future. We are an educational company. We want to teach you how to do that for yourself so you can be the one at the steering wheel. Okay, so we're not taking investments. We do not trade your money, and we're not going to trade for you. Okay, we're not doing mining at this moment in time because of the lack of clarity. Okay, and we discussed mining, so there's people here who have heard us talk about it, and we brought it to the table. Though I'm being very transparent because of the lack of clarity. Okay, with how things are going to work. Okay, we do not want to go into something that is uncertain. We'd rather go into education, and if there's a clear understanding of mining in the future, so we have the right connections. We have the right connections that we can go into that, but we want to, our number one thing is to protect the clients, to protect the people that are a part of our community and our culture. Because for those of you guys who are new and those of you guys who are already a part of this, you know how we operate. We operate as one family, one unit. We have each other's back. And so it's very important for the company to not take any risks from a legality or regulation standpoint. We're also not going to give you any guarantees. I know some people are here hoping that we can tell you you're going to get X amount per month back or X amount per day, but we're not going to do that. Here's what I will tell you. We are dedicated right now. We have some things that are going to start tomorrow. Okay, we have some products, and I'm going to start talking about what we're doing. Okay, so I am going to talk about the solution. There's a lot of important things before we can start giving you guys food, right? I'll tell you guys right now, this is the very beginning. Over the past, when I first started with iMarketsLive, we had the harmonic scanner for Forex. And over 2 years, we built 7 other products and added 30 plus educators in multiple languages. What we're doing with crypto has been months in development. And we have a really, really amazing, like incredible lineup of value to bring to the table. And over the next 30 to 60 days, everything I'm going to talk about tonight will be out to the market. But what's even crazier is the fact, I don't know if I should let the cat out of the bag right now or not. Well, I have a surprise. I'm not going to let it out of the bag right now. I know it's like a teaser, but this is important stuff. So we'll go back to it. But I have something that's going to blow your guys' mind even more. Let's talk about the solution. So we talked about what's missing, education. We're going to bring the Coin Academy. Okay, so we're going to bring Crypto Academy, Coin Academy to the table as part of the solution. Okay, it's part of the solution. Let's just double check this Facebook Live, see how all my friends here are doing. Guys, we have 1,000 people. Check this out. You're in my kitchen here. We have 1,000 people right now on 1,000 people on Facebook Live. What's up, guys? I'm going to let you stay here with me here. Okay. Actually, if you want, can you show them the slide? So the crypto solutions, we have the Coin Academy. Okay. So in the Coin Academy, we will start with 4 courses, okay? So there will be 4 courses released in the next 30 to 60 days, and they will be released in English and Spanish, and then we will also release in multiple other languages with subtitles right off the bat. So we're gonna bring this Coin Academy, Coin Education in multiple different languages as soon as it launches, and guys, our team is working. We don't want them to rush through it. We have some amazing, amazing, amazing people putting together this information for our entire community. But I hope you guys agree with me. We're not going to rush it, but don't worry. Don't worry, because it is coming. It is in development, and I'm extremely excited about what I've seen so far, but I'm more excited about the individuals and what they've been able to do inside of this cryptocurrency space for the past year, 2 years. And then they're going to bring that to the table. So the Coin Academy is going to be crazy. We're going to go through the basics. We're going to go through technical analysis, so how to actually trade, when to get in, when to get out. We're going to talk about what to do with your wallets, exchanges, how to get a wallet in an exchange. So we're really going to get into the nitty gritty of what it takes to actually just get started, right? How do we get your boat in the water? That's number 1. Number 2, the tools. Because the cat's out of the bag because everything's here. If I was better at PowerPoint, I would have pressed the space bar and, one by one, we would have released this stuff. But you know what? Whatever. Crypto Web Analyzer. Okay. For those of you who do not know what the Web Analyzer is, it's amazing. This is a tool that we brought to the table for the foreign exchange markets about 60 days ago. Okay, it is a tool. It is not a guaranteed success rocket ship to millions, right? But what it is a tool that helps you get entries into the market. So our programmer, Steven, who's been doing an abundance of work and a ton of training, and shout out to all the trainers and educators that are adding value with the analyzer. You guys will be a big part of this because we're going to need you to help teach the world how to use the web analyzer for crypto. But guys, Chris Terry and his programming team have been building out this crypto web analyzer with Steven and his team for weeks. Actually, I think it's been well over a month, and I know this thing is getting close. I know it's getting close, okay? So the crypto web analyzer is coming like a speeding bullet. The crypto harmonic scanner is nearly finished. I talked to Chris Terry just before this call, and the harmonic scanner, which a lot of people love, is again coming like a speeding bullet, okay? So this thing is coming for us. And what a harmonic pattern is essentially Fibonacci ratios mixed in with some Elliott wave and then support and resistance to find entries and major market levels for us. So you guys are like, wait, that was like gibberish. I know, I apologize. Basically, here's what it does. It's a tool that scans the market to find when to get into the market and when to get out of the market. It also tells you a good level for risk management, and you can utilize it many different ways to basically confirm your trades, to get into the market at the right time. And so we have the harmonic scanner and the web analyzer specifically being distributed for cryptocurrency. Number 3, instruction. We felt like instruction was missing. Guys, I have a solid crypto portfolio, and I am involved deeply from the moment I wake up to the moment I go to sleep in my own research. But you know what? It's great to bounce ideas or get ideas bounced off you. And so iMarketsLive TV Crypto Edition actually goes live tomorrow. We've been preparing a team, and shout out to Spila, one of our leaders and also somebody who's very involved with the traders. So Spila, if you're here, if you're there, wherever you are, shout out to you for helping organize and put this stuff together. Shout out to our design team and our programming team for helping execute the launch of IMLTV Crypto. Guys, I cannot tell you, this is like genuine excitement. I've been able to work very closely with the traders and educators that are going to be going live on IMLTV Crypto, okay? In my opinion, you know what they say about opinions. In my opinion, we have collected some of the most consistent, professional, and focused individuals that understand what's going on in these markets. People that not only trade on MetaTrader 4, but people that also can help you with your non-leveraged crypto. Okay, so you have your exchange crypto trading, and then you have your MetaTrader 4 crypto trading. And we have these individuals that are tenured in the markets. They've been doing it for a while. They're producing results. They're proven to be able to educate. And we're also been doing crypto basics. Guys, IML Crypto TV goes live starting tomorrow. Tomorrow, you have access now to, I believe we're launching with 8 educators, 6 in English, 2 in Spanish. So we were not playing games. When we launched IML TV in English, we launched with 2 educators. But you know what? You know what Chris Terry told me? He said, Jason, I want to go big with crypto. He said, let's get a nice team together, people that we really believe in and trust and are excited about, and then let's build on top of that. So we felt 8 was a great number, okay? We're coming in with 6 in English, 2 in Spanish, and we're going to continue to build on that over and over and over again. But guys, IML TV Crypto does go live tomorrow, and again, I'm super excited about that. Now, again, I realize there's people here. Guys, IML TV is live streaming, right? So we have a trader behind a screen looking at things, analyzing, et cetera, and they're analyzing the market with us there live, able to ask questions and get feedback and stuff like that. So it's a brilliant, unbelievable model. Now, the next components are analysis and mentorship, okay? I believe that even if you want to learn how to fish, you go to the ocean, you go to the lake, you go to the river with somebody that has a ton of experience and you copy what they did. I remember being a young kid going fishing with my grandfather who had 40 years of fishing experience. And when I got my line tangled, he knew what to do. When I snapped when I lost my lure, he knew how to fix it. And because of that, I was able to learn, and now I'm able to teach. So why would we not bring, okay, this is huge. I can't give you all the details yet, because I don't want to give it all, right? But I will tell you guys this. iMarketsLive has just completed over the last 72 hours, a agreement, a partnership with, in my opinion, and the opinion of many people that I know, right? A lot of my friends have been trading with this individual for quite some time. A lot of my friends have results from this individual. This individual has helped me directly and indirectly create a phenomenal result inside of crypto. I'm not going to talk about what I've been able to do, but I will tell you guys, I'm excited about my personal results. Results are not guaranteed, so we can't guarantee this individual is going to bring guaranteed results. But this is what I'll tell you. Over 10 years of trading experience, 5 years of crypto experience, and Chris Terry, quote, quote, said, this gentleman is the Chris Terry of crypto. Excited. Swipe coin is coming, okay? Swipe coin is coming to the table. We hope to get the beta version out to the field. The beta version, okay, out to the field in the next 30 to 60 days. I like to underpromise and overdeliver. So everything that I talk about, I'm giving a bigger number than what I actually believe, okay? So I believe within the next 30 to 60 days, we will have Swipe Coin on our cell phones. Guys, Swipe Coin is a application that you download on your phone, and the trader will send his trade ideas, okay? So these are not like you have to take them. You're not forced to take these trades. These are basically trade ideas from that trader. Sends it to the phone, and he gives you his potential entry, where he would put his stop loss, where he believes it's going to go. So let's say he says buy Ripple at $2.74, and Ripple is the target to $3.15. Going to the top. So he's letting you inside of the brain. He's letting you. Was that my Facebook Live? Oh. Okay, cool. Guys, the Facebook Live and IML Elite just went down. So give us 1 second. No, that's good. Okay, so we are going to start another Facebook Live. The phone died with 1,000+ people on the Facebook Live. So just give us 1 second. We're launching another Facebook Live as we speak. I saw Matt's face go, uh-oh. All good though. We're having fun. Guys, if you're excited, let's get out of here. We'll come back to this. If you're excited, drop a 111 in the chat box, okay? Now, and guys, please, like, this is not a buy Ripple. Everybody I know goes to buy Ripple because I actually knew what price it was at, right? Do not do that, please. I'm not giving you a signal, even though maybe it will go up. 111 in the chat box if you're excited about what you've heard. Look at this. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay? Absolutely insane what's going on here. And I know the leaders are excited. I know the customers are excited. This is really just a beautiful thing. So we are back live on the IML Elite Facebook group. So if you guys could do me a favor in the chat box, let's drop the 111s, okay? Don't stop dropping the 111s because I think we're actually freezing up the stream here. So if you guys can stop using the chat box, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's get back to the screen share here. All right, so Swipe Coin. Also, as you guys know, the CEO of our company does the daily swing trades. He has been focused on cryptocurrency inside of these daily swing trades. He's been sharing his ideas of what he believes is going to happen in the market. Okay, so you have Coin Academy, Crypto Web Analyzer, the scanner, Crypto TV goes live tomorrow. Swipe Coin should be live in the next 30 to 60 days for beta version. Here's where it gets good. Screen share's over, okay? But the good news is not stopped, okay? Check this out. This is crazy. You guys are going to go nuts. People are actually really legitimately going to go nuts. So as you guys know, the iMarketsLive package, okay, is $195 to get started, $145, okay, $145 a month. Can you guys hear me? Somebody dropped like a 777. Yeah, I think you guys can hear me. Somebody was saying they can't. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, wow. All right. So you guys know the price of IML. What if I were to tell you that actually the Academy, Coin TV, Crypto TV, we're going to add unlimited amount of educators, okay? The harmonic scanner are included in your platinum package, not just for now, but forever. That we're not going to charge additional for the Academy. We're not going to charge additional for TV. We're not going to charge additional for the scanner, even though there are legitimate costs. Yeah, exactly. People are literally going nuts. There are legitimate costs tied to these products. Understand that these educators do get paid, okay? So we've increased the payroll on the education, but we've not increased the price of the subscription. Understand that a programming team gets paid for the usage of the harmonic scanner, but we're not going to add that. Understand that we are paying to develop the academy, but we're not going to increase. So for those of you guys who are new tonight, we don't want you to stop trading Forex. We don't want you guys to stop using those educators, because I'll tell you right now, the educators that we have for Forex can teach you things that you can take to crypto. And all you guys know that. Foreign exchange and crypto are not that different, right? There's some things, there's some other factors and all this crazy stuff. But I need you guys to really understand that we are a trading education company, and our educators, our tools, our Forex side is amazing, okay? But we have the best owners, the most well-intentioned, good-intentioned owners in the world that, you know what? When I joined the company 2 years ago and the only product was the harmonic scanner, the entry to get in was $500. And Chris dropped the price from $500 to $195 so more people could get started. And then not only did we drop the price from $500 to $195, we started adding more products and never raised the price, including today when we just added 8 educators. So the payroll just went boom. The academy, which is coming, will be included, and the harmonic scanner. Now, as you guys know, the web analyzer is additional. Okay, the web analyzer will be additional. For the month of January, the web analyzer is free. So learn how to use the web analyzer for Forex. Get on Lee Allen's session on IML TV. Brandon Boyd and Stephen Hooley have done a ton of trainings on the web analyzer. We have some really good traders in the web analyzer Facebook page with recorded tradings. So you're good there. And then you know what? You learn how to use the web analyzer for Forex. When the crypto one comes out, you're already 10 steps ahead of the game, and it's game over. I'm telling you right now, that is an amazing product. Again, results are not guaranteed. Results are not typical. But yes, Lee Allen is the bomb. And yeah, it's crazy. It's about to get crazy in here. So start using the web analyzer for Forex. You'll also be able to use the web analyzer for cryptocurrency. Check this out. The only service that there will be an upcharge in the future for will be Swipecoin. But I'm telling you guys right now, that will be an optional upgrade. Okay, you'll be able to get a ton of value, a lifetime worth of value from IML TV, from the academy, from the scanner. You will not be upset about paying for Swipecoin. Trust me when I tell you, and I do believe, don't quote me, but I do believe there will be a trial period for Swipecoin so we can show people the value, and then there will be an upcharge at a later date. Guys, the one thing that I truly believe in with this company is the fact that the owners have an abundance mindset. Every company is in business to grow and make money. But this company is not in business to take advantage of people. They're not in business to, I don't know the upcharge for Swipecoin, but it's not going to be $15. It will be a more expensive premium upgrade because of the cryptocurrency aspect and because of the technology increase that needs to take place. So I don't know the price. I'm not going to explain the price because I don't know, okay? But what I will tell you is this. There is an abundance mindset behind this company. And so everything that's done is actually done with your best intention. I'm a customer. My best intention at heart, and that's why I decided to go all in and commit my entire life within this company, okay? I decided to go all in and commit my entire life to this company along with our team because I truly believe in the vision to empower, enrich, and educate and to give people the freedom to continue to go forward. Guys, 2 in its free program. Our customers have the ability. Right now, we have over 6,000 people getting our services for free every single month. So guess what? Academy, Crypto TV, you can get this for free. That's unbelievable. And I don't know, but maybe we'll be able to get Swipecoin for free. Who knows? So guys, I am ecstatic to the fact that tomorrow Crypto TV goes live. And what I will ask you is that I know a lot of people are brand new to crypto, okay? You can trade crypto on MetaTrader 4 and you can trade crypto through an exchange. Okay? I want you to just listen to me. Do not get emotional, fear of missing out, and just go start buying different cryptocurrencies and different coins just to say that you did it. okay? Because what's very important is getting in and out of these markets at the right time. And I do not want you, from the bottom of my heart, I'm just giving you guys a message that has nothing to do with crypto solutions, but has everything to do with it. I've had a lot of friends call me and say, look, I have X amount of money. Can you tell me what to buy? And I said, no, you need to focus on learning. Guys, I'm telling you right now, you can get in and out of these coins at the right time and you can actually have a phenomenal result. But if you get in and out of the coin at the wrong time, you could get stuck or you could lose money. And so there is risk in everything. And we want to pump the brakes. We had a great call with our educators about 2-3 hours ago. Guys, the educators are ready to rumble. They are so excited to bring value this entire week and this entire month. But understand it will be very basic, right? And we'll get into some strategy and some trading, but it will be very basic because a lot of new people are coming. There's some great brokers that are doing crypto. I'm not going to talk about them here because I have no affiliation to a specific broker, but you guys can ask around to what brokers are doing cryptocurrency. I'm not going to recommend an exchange because I don't have a direct affiliation to any exchange, nor do I have a direct affiliation to where you put your money. I just want to help you win. So on behalf of all the leaders, on behalf of the programmers, on behalf of the leadership, on behalf of the trader team, we want to thank you guys for being here tonight, but do not leave. I am going to make one quick phone call. Do we have a phone? We need to see if we can get Chris Terry here because Chris Terry was supposed to be on the webinar, but we maxed out. So we actually maxed out. I got my iMarketsLive gear here, the unemployable gear. And now some people ask me about the shirt. It's my favorite shirt. It also makes me look buffer than I am, which is great. So shout out to Brandon Boyd for making that happen.
Oh, Lord.
So let me see. Hold on one second. I'm going to grab somebody else's phone here. And Matt, can you type in your code for me, please? Or actually just call Chris yourself. Let's see if who'd be excited to get Christopher Terry on the call right now? Let's see if we can get Christopher Terry on the call right now. Chris was trying to get on the Zoom, guys. We maxed out the Zoom. That's why Chris cannot be here. So give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I just want to update Chris to where we're at with this webinar, and I will be right back. Do not leave, guys. We are so excited. I'll be right back. Hold on. We have news. Wait a minute. Chris Terry told me that he logged into Zoom and paid for this to go to 10,000 people. This is the best. Chris, you're live right now. So for those of you guys who are on, dude, we have all these people on Facebook Live and everybody's fired up. Chris, people love you right now. This place is going crazy. Chris, there's like 5,000 people watching this webinar tonight. Do you want to get on Zoom or do you want to talk right here on speakerphone?
Let me go on Zoom. I'll be on his Christopher CEO.
Okay, because there's about 15 Chris Terrys logged into this webinar. So, guys,
can they hear me just like this?
They can hear you. Can you guys hear Chris loud and clear? Drop a 111 if you can hear Chris loud and clear. Oh yeah, they can hear you. Hey, Chris.
Can you hear me?
No.
Somebody, can you guys? Yeah, they can hear. Everybody. Let me know. Chris, say some things. Let's see if they can hear you. If not, we'll get you. Actually, Chris, just come on to Zoom. We're having fun over here. Come on to Zoom. All right, guys. We got the man, the myth, the legend himself coming into the Zoom. But I'm excited. Guys, please. Okay, few things. Trade responsibly and invest responsibly, not emotionally. Okay, also, take it easy on the educators. We have thousands of people that are going to be rushing to this live education. So take it easy, Take it easy on them. And also, just be patient with us in our vision. We do not want to rush education to the market, and I hope you guys appreciate that. We are not going to just throw things out there to say we entered the space, to say that we're doing it so we can get more subscribers. We want to do things to be here as a long-term company, and I want to help, personally, hundreds of thousands of people to start to win big in 2018 and beyond. So let me look for the man, the myth, the legend. Oh, there's so many people here. Let me actually type a quick message in here. Okay, watch this. Zoom is open now to public. Okay, also guys, if you are not a part of the iMarketsLive official Telegram, okay, you got to go to telegram.me/IML official. Telegram.me/IML official. You will be inside of all the notifications. You will know exactly what's going on. And also, I'm actually going to share my screen and give you guys both links, but let me make sure Chris is on here. While Chris is speaking, I'm going to share my screen. Guys, telegram.me/IMLTV and telegram.me/IMLofficial. So two very, very, very important links. telegram.me/IMLofficial, telegram.me/IMLTV. Okay? Both of those. The IMLTV will actually give you the notifications of when the sessions are going live. And the Telegram official will plug you into everything that we're doing. So now we're close to 4,000 people. I thank you guys for typing the link. Where is Chris? Chris, where are you? These people are excited to hear from you, my friend. It's here somewhere. They want to see the man. Oh, it's in alphabetical order. Thank you, Zoom, for thinking far ahead of time. Okay. What is he under? Chris Terry, CEO. Bear with me, guys. There's a lot of people on this webinar.
Wow, almost 4,000, bro.
Gary McSween, ladies and gentlemen, in the building. Gary, are you excited or what, Gary?
Bro, this is about to be crazy. This is too much value for just $195. It's ridiculous.
I agree, bro. I agree. We got to hear why Chris wanted to do it. Where's Chris? Chris, where are you at? Guys, if you want the recap, we're going to post this recording on YouTube, so don't worry. I feel like it's Christmas over here at iMarketsLive tonight, so we turned this from a webinar to a hangout session. Yep. Oh, I found him. I think I found him. Is this the real Chris Terry? There's so many people named Chris. Look at this. Okay, Chris, CEO. Hold on. Dude, look at this. I think we got him. Chris Terry will be joining as a, let's see. Oh, he's here. Uh-oh, the legend. Oh, look at it. Chris, what are you doing?
In the gym, and I just been in this mindset of getting healthy. I'm the lowest weight I've been in 30 years. And I had left the gym. I pulled over to the side. I wouldn't miss this call for a moment. I'm so excited. Everybody's going nuts.
Crazy. So, Chris, I went through the products. I went through the vision about.
I know. I've been listening.
And empowering. So, hey, man, you're the visionary. You're our leader. We love you, bro. And thank you for being abundant-minded and really giving us the right platform to go do something crazy. There's thousands of people around the world. So take it to the house, man. Close this thing out. And thank you once again.
Well, first off, obviously, I want to thank each and every one of you for coming on this call. Tonight changes IML forever. It changes the face of the company forever. We are finally at the point where we had the greatest leadership in the industry, the greatest educators in the industry, the greatest products in the industry, and the greatest intention in the industry. And our focus, our goal, is to provide you the best platform for education, provide you the best platform to learn and protect yourself, protect your family, your future for ages. We've been working behind the scenes really hard to get all these products and services together. Thank you, Jason. Jason has not stopped. 24 hours a day, interlocking partnerships with educators. Some of the best people that you've ever heard of are now joined as partners with IML in the education process. Swipecoin is going to be off the chain. Off the chain. I can't wait till we release that. But one thing for certain, Forex, still our primary business. We are not taking our focus away from that. We're going to continue to improve the back end with that. We're going to improve everything with Forex. But we see the changes in the industry. We see what's going on in the crypto world. And it would not be bright if we didn't even enter into that world. It's a great industry. I myself, I'm personally invested into it. I love it. So why not? Why not bring it to the table? And wow. Jason, how many educators? 8?
8 educators to start for now.
Yeah. For now, to start. I eventually want to build it up to 20, 30. I mean, I want us to have an equivalent of what we have in Forex on the crypto side. I've already been putting work out there with the daily swing trades or the IML swing trades. I notice that every day. I've been putting my Bitcoin work, been putting some other cryptocurrency work out. My goal is to amp that up, just continuously amp it up 7 days a week as much as I can and provide as much knowledge as I can. But a couple of things main important, guys. We got thousands of people. Please police one another in terms of compliance. please put disclaimers on everything we do. You want to protect the house. You want to protect the IML. If you're putting something, put a disclaimer. Protect your family. Protect everybody. We will do as much as possible. We have compliance people working out there, but police yourself, police your team in a good way. Just make sure you're always putting disclaimers, always protecting the house. We want to be here for generations, not just for 6 months or 3 months. But yeah, we've been talking about crypto for a while. It's been a vision, it's been a thought. In Houston, when we had our event in November, we talked about it, that it was coming after the new year. We are now in the first week of the new year, and right away we're releasing live education. Right after that, we have the academy. Right after that, Swipe Coin, harmonic scanner, analyzers. I've been using the products, the web analyzer and the harmonic scanner. It's off the chain. Off the chain. I feel everybody in our company will be proud of everything we have, everything we're doing. But just thank you everybody for trusting, for believing in us. And we're just getting started. This is going to be a massive, massive year. I know a lot of successful people are going to come out of this. I know we're going to have some of the best educators in the planet. More products are coming. Whatever we can do, whatever Isis and I can do, and Jason and Alex and Yvonne and the entire leadership, whatever we can do, believe me, we will do for you. Hands down. I know lots of people, it's some of these places, stage talk, it's real. Behind the scenes, Jason, myself, Alex, Yvonne, David, Isis, Gerard, we're all talking about how we can make things better for the team, for the family. And I believe right now with the release of crypto, we're not going to knock anything else that's out there, but we're bringing, all the best in. We're going to protect you. That's the main thing. Jason, did you talk about mining or anything like that?
Yeah, I just briefly talked about at this moment, that there's a lack of clarity on, what can be done and stuff like that. So if you want to touch on that, I left it open for the future.
Look, I'd be the first one to tell you, I'd like to go into the mining industry. I mean, we have access to the facilities, to the product. We have it. The problem is the legalities of what's out there and what we're seeing with other companies in terms of legalities. And I don't want to put us in a questionable position. I don't want to put us in a questionable position that once we enter into something, we can't come out of it. So we're going to watch it. We're going to be patient. Know for a fact, if we feel it's okay, we can go full speed ahead. We have the abilities, the facilities. We have everything. The only thing is the legalities of it and to protect the company. The last thing I do is I'm going to put ourselves at risk. So I know a lot of people have been asking me about mining. We're going to look into it, okay? We're going to keep watching and talking to the attorneys and see what's in the industry. We don't want any problems in that arena. As we see in the news, what's happening recently with some other companies, we don't want to enter into that. So we're going to watch it. We're not saying no. We're not saying yes. We're going to watch it. So just to cure some of that. Other than that, Jason, thank you so much. Everybody, thank you so much. I'm going to be doing, over the next several days, I'll put an announcement. I've encountered something in a positive way, and I've been speaking to Jason and David and Yvonne in terms of the mindset and certain things, certain ingredients, what it takes to make you extremely successful. All right? I've been wanting to do a little webinar, so we're going to announce that. But I tell you one thing, it's going to be mind-blowing what we're going to bring to the table in that. Next weekend, Chris Takes Crypto, CHRIS takes, TAKES, crypto.com. You'll see it on the internet. We'll email out on that. I'm going to be in Atlanta, Georgia with China Bethany and the other leaders. We're going to have about 1,000 people there excited about crypto, excited about Forex. We're going to have an amazing Saturday coming up on January 13th. So don't miss that. Definitely don't miss that. We also have at the end of the month with Brandon Boyd on the 27th in Utah, Big Millionaire Master Mindset. It's going to be off the chain. So I'm going to be doing some traveling. Yeah. So we'll send out emails. I'll send out in the Swipe Trades emails, put it on Instagram. It's all over the place. Guys, get ready. Just get ready.
Hey, Chris,
just get ready. It's about to go crazy. Jason, I'll turn it back to you, buddy.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
don't go too far. The one thing that we have not talked about yet is
What?
Las Vegas. And I know that you and
Oh boy! Oh boy!
you and I had some really good dialogue about
Oh.
what people are wondering is there going to be cryptocurrency education and talk in Vegas. So why don't you talk about Vegas real quick?
Listen.
And I have some things I want to talk
Yeah,
about.
you know what? I'm so sorry. I didn't realize. Okay.
No, you're good. You're good.
Go ahead. You want to talk about it? Go ahead, Jason. Go for it.
All right, let's do it. So watch this. So, guys, we have our company convention coming in
Not the stars.
March, Las Vegas. We're all extremely, extremely excited. Chris and I have had some amazing dialogue about how we want to institute this new crypto solutions in to the Las Vegas event. You know, when we have 5,000 to 10,000 people, we're actually shooting for 10,000 people. That's the goal. That's the vision. 10,000 people from all around the world will be in Las Vegas. If you're going to Las Vegas, drop a 000. There's a 0% chance you're going to miss it. Drop a 000 in the chat box. Okay, and guys, the website I will post. I'm going to share my screen right now just so you can have it because some people are going to ask. Okay, I'm going to share the website with you guys, and I'm going to explain a couple things that are going to go down in Las Vegas. This thing's okay. So watch this. You have www.imlriseconvention.com. Okay, imlriseconvention.com. My advice: get your ticket sooner rather than later. Okay, telegram.me/IML official. Okay, and then Telegram. I got one more. I want to do this all at once so you guys can look at this screen while we close out this webinar. Okay, telegram.me/IMLTV. Now, Chris and I had some amazing dialogue with our global event coordinator and our leadership about instituting, you know, education and the presence of crypto into Las Vegas. So, guys, you do not want to miss this event. We're going to have some surprises. We're going to have new product releases, announcements at that event that will be a complete game changer. We're going to announce promotions at that event. But you go there to get educated. You go there to be around people, to rub shoulders with successful people. Guys, events have absolutely changed my life. Meeting all these people around the world at these events has absolutely changed my life. So imlriseconvention.com. Be there at that event. We are going to have some crypto talk. We're going to have crypto panels. Guys, it's going to be incredible. We're super, super excited about that. And the last couple of things that I wanted to talk about are this. Okay, we have a brand new training website coming in the coming days. Okay, so we are preparing a very, very, very exciting new training platform that will coincide with the iMarketsLive app. I know a lot of people have downloaded the app and are using it, so we're going to coincide it with the app. And you know what? Our job is not only to keep giving products and keep getting new customers, but to make that customer vision, that path for the new customers much easier, right? So to help you get more clarity and really get success at a faster rate. And so I really appreciate you guys for being here tonight. That's all that I have to say for now, but just really get focused, get in gear, ride that wave with us and be a part of the long-term vision. You know, give iMarketsLive 3 years, you know, and let us together as a community build each other up, right? Not just about what's in it for us, but what's in it for everyone. That's really our goal and our mission. So guys, thank you so much, Chris, your beautiful wife, for having the vision and really having the goals to help other people and serve other people at this point in your life. For everybody that's on this webinar that's new, welcome to the iMarketsLive family. We welcome you with open arms. This recording will be available on YouTube as soon as humanly possible. Thank you guys once again. Chris, if you have any words you want to close out with, I am done.
Yeah, I just want to say, again, thank you, everybody. Let's go on a mission. Let's be the most professional, classiest company out there, and let's just literally change the world. Let's change the world as one army. Let's change the world as one family and give the best of the best. Go out there and just share and love everybody and help people. All right, guys? Love every one of you. Thank you so much. And I'm planning to do a mindset webinar in the next several days. It's going to be off the chain. Don't miss it. We're going to announce it. And again, Atlanta, ChrisTakesCrypto.com. Come to Atlanta this weekend. I promise you, it's going to be off the chain. I'm excited. Thank you, everybody. I'm out of here.